Hello and welcome to Mechanic Manager, Motor Mechanic Workshop Management Software. This is a quick demo on service history. So to look at the service history for a vehicle, there's a few ways of doing it. One way is doing it from the vehicle's icon here and just click on service history. All the service history for all the vehicles come up. So if I want a particular rego or a VIN number or a make, whatever, let's do it on a rego. You just type it in here. You can do it within particular dates, like a start date and an end date. You can search on customer name. So we'll do a search on rego, say ABC 123 AAA. Okay, there's a vehicle there. There's some service history for that vehicle. So that's all the services that have been done for that vehicle. We'll select this vehicle here, or that invoice. We'll bring up that invoice, so double click on it and it comes up on the screen. You can change the invoice, you can delete it, you can do whatever you want. There is no concept of finalization. So if you change an invoice, it will just undo everything that's done, like in the balance sheet, profit and loss, the part quantities, cost of goods, accounts, all journal entries, the statements. Everything will be undone and it'll redo it again, and everything will balance out. So there is no concept of finalization. It's an open-ended system, ledger system. So that's your service history there. Another way of looking up service history is you just go on the invoice. If I just type in, say I select the customer, for example, and I'll go, who do I select? I'll select this one, A1 Mechanic. He's got one vehicle, click on that. And all you do is you click on service history, so it's really handy. It's right on the invoice there, so I'll click on service history button, and there's a service history for that vehicle. Okay, so to bring up the service history, to bring up an invoice, so there's two invoices there, invoice 13065 and invoice 13049. You scroll down and see all the service history for that vehicle. So there's a few invoices there, there's about 5. So to select an invoice, I double click on this one, and the invoice comes up. Like I said, you can change it and all that sort of stuff. Another way of looking up service history is in the customer record. So if I click on customers in the invoice and sales, I'll click on A1 Mechanic again. You can click on the service history tab, so you got the vehicles there. So I'll select that vehicle there, say. Or you can just click on service history and it comes up. So same sort of thing, you can scroll down, have a look at your history, and if I select this invoice here, 13049, by double clicking on it, the service history comes up, 13049 is the invoice number. So that's service history. Very straightforward, and stays there forever. There is no closing off the books. It just works on dates, so financial periods, any sort of date range, it works on. Thank you.